Hey guys, today's video is going to be unboxing or opening of the Disney Pixar Mashems.
Yes!
We have two of them here, and we're going to open them up and see who we have.
I'm going to open this one up.
Okay, let's open this one first.
Maybe I got this one.
Maybe we can get Nemo?
Yeah, come on, open it.
Let's see. We got to open it here on the side.
Okay, I have to open.
All right. Here, we got to open it down here. You ready?
Mm-hmm.
1, 2, 3.
Wow! Woohoo!
We got Nemo. We got who we wanted.
Woohoo! We got Nemo. Wait, we got Nemo.
Yeah, look. Nemo's smiling. He looks very happy.
Yeah.
I wonder who we have with him. Maybe we have Dory also.
Yeah, we didn't get Dory, but I got this one in my room. I want to get Woody.
You want to get Woody?
Yeah, come on.
We'll see.
Open
Nemo
this.
has a little tail.
Naughty.
And when you squish him, there's liquid inside. His face kind of bubbles. Like, woo, woo, woo.
Dad, I want to open this one.
Okay, 1 minute. Nemo's so cool. All right, let's open up the second one and see who we have.
Daddy, I didn't got this one. I want to see which one I got.
Let's see. Wonder who we have. Ready? 1, 2, 3.
Wow, I got this one.
Who is it? Who is it?
I got Woody.
Woody.
Woohoo, I got Woody.
Wow, we got Woody. Yay.
And we got him with Woody.
You got Woody in his cowboy hat.
Yeah.
And his hands in his boots.
Yeah, that's
What does he say? He says, I got a snake in my boot.
A snake in my bed?
Yep.
No, he don't.
Woody's so cool. And he's also squishy.
He
Yay.
does see a snake in a boat.
We got Nemo and Woody in these surprise Pixar Mashems.
Mashems. Now to open the mermaid.
See you guys later.
I'll do-
Bye.
Bye.